We're going to be launching this rocket wirelessly. We've got our solar panel, we've got the positive and negative terminal, and then we've got our diode on the positive terminal. Make sure the polarity is right. Our gray mark. We've got our supercapacitor. Make sure that polarity is also right. Negative is on negative. Positive is on positive. It's connected in parallel. We've got our fuse, which will prevent the rocket from launching. So just an automotive fuse, and then it's going to your normally open port, and then there's a wire coming out from the common port, which is going to the rocket. It's basically a relay, and it's wirelessly controlled with a remote. I had to modify this case a little bit because the cutouts on it were bad. We're gonna make sure we're getting enough solar power, and I will use a separate enclosure for this. We're going to be demonstrating the launch of the rocket wirelessly. We use this distance measuring tool all the way to the SDISP rocket launch box. That's a little bit over 13 meters. The rocket's a little bit twice that distance, and there's a wire connected to the rocket engine itself, which will be using a remote and a relay. And this is the remote. And we're going to go ahead and launch the rocket. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.